kalmahan nyo lang. So let's say meron tayong 65 squared. Anong magiging sagot? So kapag ganito yung given, yung last 2 digit niya is 25 na kagad. Para makuha mo yung nasa unahang number, yung unang number natin, multiply mo lang yon sa next number niya, which is 7. So ngayon, yung 6 times 7 is 42. Siya yung ilalagay mo dito. So yung magiging sagot natin for 65 squared is 4,225. Next, 15 squared. So sabi natin guys, kapag nag-square ng number na nag-end sa 5, yung last number niya is, yung last 2 digit is 25 na kagad. Then para makuha mo yung number sa unahan, multiply mo lang yung 1 sa next number niya, which is 2, and 1 times 2 is 2. So ilalagay natin yung dito. So which means yung 15 squared is 225. Next, so let's say meron tayong 35 squared. Anong sagot? Then guys, so basically, meron tayong 35 squared. Yung last 2 digit is 25. And para makuha natin yung number sa unahan, yung 3, multiply natin sa 4. Kasi next number niya is 4. And 3 times 4 is 12. So magiging 1,225. Next, so let's say 45 squared. Anong magiging sagot? Jack. So meron tayong 45 squared. So yung last 2 digit is 25. Then yung 4 times 5 natin. Kasi next number niya is 5 equals 20. So magiging 20, 25. Hello, watch out. Next, 85 squared. So meron tayong 85 squared. So yung ginagawa is, yung last 2 digit is 25. Then yung 8 times 9, kasi 9 yung sunod na number, that is 72. So magiging 7,225. Walang. So meron tayong 105 squared. Anong magiging sagot? So yung last 2 digit is 25. Then remember, yung number sa unahan natin is 10 times yung next number, which is 11, and 10 times 11 is 110. So magkakaroon tayo ng 110 or 11,025.